Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Tapswap Airdrop. The final listing date has been revealed. Now this is their update today, 13th February. They said the countdown has been updated. So February listing date February 17th, and it's going to be listed on Bitget Exchange. Most of the airdrop this period make use of Bitget Exchange. So if you don't have your Bitget Exchange, please do where to go and download it and verify it. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, you are welcome. Please like, share and subscribe. So now let's click over to this website to see what they really have for us on this website. Now let's go, tap on it. Okay, this is the interface. The world's first Web3 skill gaming platform starts TGE 3 days, 17 hours, 34 minutes, 51 seconds. So this is the update they have, and right now the pre-deposit has been closed. So if you have not yet linked your exchange, you have no problem. You are not going to use on-chain withdrawal, which will be open soon for you. So they also made it here that you can deposit tabs to Bitget Exchange with zero fee, but this pre-deposit has been closed. So you are going to make use of on-chain. Close. They say options for withdrawing tokens will be available soon. So if you have not yet deposit your own, relax, you are going to deposit your own soon. What do you think about this video? So guys, have you heard about Aurevia Airdrop? This particular airdrop is automatic mining. What you have to do is just to log in every day. In this place, log in every day, tap there. You now start your day. That's the daily check-in. You start your day, you engage by just liking their post for the day. Then you stay online for 5 minutes. Then you will now activate this one. Then this one is task marathon. That's to complete tasks, and you can do a ad explorer. That's watch 10 hours. Very simple. It will be mining for you. What you need to do is just to log in to activate the bot for the day, and it will mine for you. Link in the description of this video if you have not yet started. And here you click on the end session. You have to do your tasks. Click on the weekly. We have the weekly, the social, the in-game and the network. Just do your tasks and accumulate points, and it will be mining for you. You can as well watch the ad. Watch this ad 8 times, 8 ad to give you 500 Aurevia points. That is, this project is going to be massive. If you have not started, link in the description. And here you can now connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you will now start increasing. By connecting your wallet, you have a higher hash rate by connecting your wallet. So make sure you take this project very serious if you have not started. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.